Here we are on the Gaza border. It's a forward observation post right near Kibbutz Alumim, Alumim. We have defense bunkers right behind us. We can see right behind me, over the hill, we're talking about maybe 400 meters. 400 meters is the border. You see where the smoke is, that's where the tanks on the border road go. Behind me in the distance, you can see if we take 5 fingers north of the sunset, you can see Gaza City. And right in front of us, and next to Gaza City, we're opposite Nuseirat. Right from here, we should pray for our soldiers. You know, so Daniel Chai, come here. Got a representative of our soldiers, the Sergeant Major Daniel Chai, and we should, Baruch Hashem, that Hashem should bring Daniel Chai home safely to his family and all his soldiers in his unit and everybody else, Baruch Hashem. Shalom Yisrael, and we should soon see Malchut Beit David, Kan, Beretz Yisrael, and Mashiach Tzidkenu, Binyan Beit Tfilachtenu, Binyan Yomenu, Amen.